Hey guys, in this video we're going to go over how to add font in Affinity by Canva. The first thing I want you to do is actually go to the Canva homepage. Make sure you're logged into the same account you're logged into Affinity. As you can see right here, I'm logged into the same one. And then all you need to actually do is go to Canva. And then here on the left hand panel, you'll see the brand section. I want you to click on that. And then here you'll see fonts. I want you to go ahead and click on add new and upload the font here. So you can get fonts from the font.com. Then you just go ahead and drag and drop the font here. It just needs to be in this file format, the open type font file. And then you just go ahead and bring it here. And once it is here, since it is connected to your Canva account with Affinity and you're logged in here, you just go ahead and enter text. We'll go ahead and use this frame text tool, and then we'll just create a text box here. And here you'll actually see the font listed automatically, and you can go ahead and use it. Really that easy. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash the like button, subscribe to Quick Fix.